Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Thursday, February 6th, 2025.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Pythons. Remember that today is your Academy auditions.
Now here are your daily announcements.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make the school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow, more news and updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons!